No? Oh, metallic, sorry. Oh my god. That is insane. That is insane. I'm just gonna show it. Godot 4.6 is here. That took a second to load, but this is insane. This is absolutely crazy. What are the highlights? I'm gonna go really quick. Big idea here is Jolt physics, as you can see over here. It's absolutely insane. You can move windows around. We have the theme, the editor has changed to a default gray by a community contribution. I'm not sure who it was. I think it was these two over here. We also have amazing reflections. We have some IR stuff, so inverse kinematics, which I will be checking out this time. We have a lot of updates in the tiles. Do not know exactly what's happening, but I can tell rotations is definitely one of them. Better selections and stuff with the 3D stuff. That made no sense, but I'm trying to say 3D got a major overhaul, as you can see over here. And we got better UI stuff, so the green nodes, those horrible green nodes, are way better now. Honestly, better typography, which I thought the old way was okay, but this seems to be way better. Oh, also, oh my gosh. Oh, the dialogue, that's what it's introducing, but I thought it was just the typography, but hey, I'll take both. Animations look like Blender, which is amazing. And so much good stuff. And also the last one I want to show is OpenXR. A lot of OpenXR stuff, so that's really cool for me because I do a lot of XR stuff. I used to, but I still do. And now let's get straight into downloading it. I'll show you if you've never used Godot 4.6 before. This is how easy it is. You click it. So it downloads in a second, depending on your Wi-Fi speed, or maybe a minute max. Extract, okay? That's all you gotta do. Extract, find your folder, open the folder and run the item, okay? It is safe. Run anyway. Literally run anyway. Who cares? Obviously, you would want to double check it, but oh my gosh, this looks insane. This is actually insane. I am shocked. I am actually shocked right now. Okay, let's just do a simple test. Nothing crazy, okay? Nothing crazy. Okay, I'm actually really excited. This is the genuine load time it takes. Oh my god. What was that? Was that a rooster? Oh, okay. I thought that was a rooster. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. This is insane. This is actually insane. This is beautiful. I'm actually at a loss of words. Oh my god. I can tell it's still, oh, tilemap is still here. Editor plugin, okay. Tilemap layer, let's see how bad or easy it is to get set up with tiles. Oops, new tile set. That's not bad, I think. Like, can I increase the brush size? No, not yet. I've always wanted a brush size on this, but maybe I just don't know where it is. Okay, the shadows is pretty sick. I mean, I'm pretty sure Godot 4.5 and all the other ones could do that, but from my understanding, there's some crazy stuff in the environment, and you can now, like, play around with a bunch of settings. Okay, that made stuff a lot better. I'm trying to get here. Major SSR overhaul. Okay, so you have to play around with reflections. Okay, so that means I should make this roughness very smooth. No? Oh, metallic, sorry. Oh my god. That is insane. That is insane. I didn't know this was possible in Godot. Oh my. Okay, it obviously has to be like you have to play around with your settings. Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's showing the it's showing this. It's showing this in the mirror. Oh my gosh. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. I didn't think mirrors were possible in Godot. And I mean, this is not amazing, right? This is not perfect, but this is a hell of a lot better than anything from before. Like this is like, this is insane. I used Godot when I started Godot in Godot 2. I did not expect to see this. Like, are you kidding me? I'm actually at a loss of words. This is crazy. Can you make an infinite mirror? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. The first thing I try is infinite mirror. Okay, wait, what happens if I'm saying? Oh wait, okay, so it's kind of trippy. It's not RTX. That's for sure. It's not RTX. But given that this is not RTX, this is still pretty insane. Oh, okay. Oh my god, this is insane. This is insanity. I didn't think this was possible in Godot. Of course, I'm not doing a tutorial right now, but just based off like 5 minutes of using it, I am impressed beyond measure. Oh my god. Oh my god. And the grid map. Let's check out the grid map real quick. Oopsie. Oh, what the hell? What is this? Shader editor. Oh, physics material cell. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to learn how to use this grid map because I know it was always a feature, but I never actually learned it. I am impressed. I'm really impressed. Okay,